Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the holiday separate, where joy fill the air and home comes alive with festive cheer, we embark on a delightful journey of decorating. Today, let's unwrap the magic of Christmas by transforming your front door into a dazzling display of holiday daylight. Our focus is on simplicity, ensuring that everyone can join in on the festive fun. Imagine opening your door to a warm embrace of Christmas separate. In this video, we will guide you through easy yet enhancing front door decor ideas, from timeless wreaths to creative doors hangers. We have got your interest covered. Tune in for tips on festive garlands, twinkling lights, and those finishing touches that elevate your home is curve appeal. Get ready to separate holiday joy with accessible and stunning Christmas front door decor. Let's make this season merry and bright on doorstep at our time. In our festive journey, let's start with classic weathers, timeless symbols, or Christmas cheer. Imagine weather made from pine cones, hollies, and red ribbons, capturing the spirit of tradition. We will chat about materials like greenery and vibrant colors that bring the cozy, nostalgic Christmas vibe right to your door. Think deep greens, rich red, and shimmering golds. But the magic does not stop there. We have got a quick do it yourself worth making tutorial coming your way. It is easy, it is fun, and it is adds a personal touch to your holiday decor. So grab some festive materials and let's create a welcoming masterpieces together, making your front door a beacon of holiday joy. When it comes to making your front door uniquely festive, think personal. Add a warm touch by personalizing your decor with names, family initials, or heartful holiday messages. It is simple as choosing materials that resonate with you and your style. Option for sturdy and weather resistant option that will withstand the winter elements. You can easily find these materials at a local craft store or repurposing items you already have at home. Get creative and make it a family creative by crafting these personalized door hanger together. Remember, the key is to infuse your personality into decoration, making your front door a welcoming and personalized symbol of holiday cheer. So grab your materials and let's the personalization begin. Discover a variety of garlands to amp up your Christmas front door decor, from classic greenery to festive ribbon and themed garland. The options are endless. Learn about smart placement strategies and effective sourcing techniques to make your garland stay put and took stunning dive into the enhancing world of Christmas lights. Whether you prefer the simplicity of stunning lights or want to get creative with alternating light ideas, explore how this twinkling addition can transform your entrance into a magical holiday display. Elevate your festive separate with these simple yet impactful touches, ensuring your front door becomes a beacon of holiday cheer for all the enjoy. Add the finishing touches to your Christmas front door decor with bow ornaments and singing boughs instantly add a festive touch. Ornaments bring a playful charm, and singing can convey warm holiday messages. Safety is the key, especially with outdoor decor, ensuring light or weather resistance, avoid overloading electrical outlets, and use outdoor extension cords. Check and replace any damages cords to prevent accident. Finally, let's make this a community celebration. Separate picture or description of your festive front door decor in the comments below. I can't wait to see the creativity and holiday spirit following in.